Alright, Corey, ready to go mining?
I'm also gonna get a flashlight.
Do you think I should bring a baton or a crowbar? I'm gonna bring a crowbar.
Okay. Okay, come on.
Alright. Alright, so cool, we are not walking because you know what happened last time we walked.
No, I don't, but okay.
So mine over here. Alright, cool? You mine here, I'll mine this. Hey, this one's mine. Mine the other one, dude. Okay. Oh wait, pepper ore.
Let's go to Bob. I have to that one. Yo,
yeah, that's yours. I'll give it to you.
Okay. Let's go to Bob.
Ah, you hit me.
Oh, my bad.
Wee!
Okay, I am at Bob's.
Wait, cool. I almost fell. Oh my god. Just give me a sec. Is Bob over there?
Come on, Bob's saying hi.
Wait a minute. I fell. I fell. Cool. Wait, I'm coming up.
I'm dying.
Come on.
I'm trying. Oh my god!
Oh,
What did you do to Bob?
What is that? What the fuck is that?
Bob! Kill Bob!
That's none of your business. I killed him.
Help me! Revive me, please!
Oh my, how?
Wait, let me
You're
go up there.
How am I supposed to help? No. Okay, I can't go in there. I can't help you. Come back.
I'll come
okay?
back. Alright. Alright, let me get my supplies.
Your things are gone, huh? Oh, I mean, your things. Did you already go? Because I died.
Oh, I'm over here.
Alright, cool, let's go back. We need the box that Bob left.
You already won?
Yeah.
Okay. She scared the fuck out of me.
Damn.
Did she scare you that bad?
Yeah.
Alright, now we gotta make
I'm
this
going
jump.
back to Bob's.
Bob's grave, you mean?
I'm at the spiders.
Alright, I'm at Bob's grave.
I got a gem.
Oh, Bob's very much alive. I think he's just pissed off now. Dude, I need your help now. Bob is alive. Don't ask me. Don't ask me how he's alive, but he's alive. Bro, Bob's like, I'm still standing better than I ever did. Looking like a true standing. Looking like a true survivor. Feeling like a little kid. Alright, cool. Want that box. Do you think he'll attack? Go! Do you think he'll attack us? I think he's just mad at us. Ow! No, you did this to me! You did this to me! Go!
Bob, calm down.
Go! Go!
Wait.
Revive me, please. I'm right here. You can revive me. You did this to me, Cole. You pushed me.
I didn't.
You pushed me.
I don't know if you can. I don't know.
Oh!
Just jump and you die.
Wait, revive me, because eventually I'll get to the end. You know what I mean?
Oh, I hope so.
Oh! Revive me again?
Ouch! Let's try the butt.
My butt? Why do you want to go in my butt? Oh!
Let's try. Come on, try to hit
Alright, I'm
something.
getting closer.
I know. Oh shit, I broke myself. Come on, you can do this.
I can do this!
Yes, okay, this is a very good spot. Come on, try to punch a wall or something like that.
I'm trying, dude. It's not that easy.
I know.
I'm gonna move my arms around frantically. Blah.
It's kind of gay.
Shut up. Alright, cool. Just like, try to push me. Push my body. Push my body.
Oh.
You know, like, you can do that.
Oh my god.
Did you just... There's no way that just happened.
That's your fault.
How is it my fault?
You want to be revived so bad. Come on, I'm going.
Oh yeah, I didn't really want to die.
Stop.
Don't leave me. Okay, I'm here.
Come on. Let me go.
Go!
Say hi to the girl. I want to.
What do you mean say hi to her? She wasn't there.
Yeah, I saw her.
Well, I guess do I smell that bad that even demons don't want to attack me? Do I stink?
Let's see how Bob's doing. Oh, Bob's already here.
Bob?
Aww.
No, who, Bob? Bob, we can all be friends here, Bob.
Don't kill.
Bob, we're all friends here, dude. We're friends.
Not anymore, we ain't.
Okay, dude.
He didn't
How do
have any
I-
friends anyway.
We gotta pick it up. Alright, let me put my crowbar right
Well,
there.
let me figure it out. I think I could. Go. No way. Don't you die. Again.
I'm trying not to. Cool. Help
Well, I
me.
can't get the other one.
Please. Cool.
Go, go, go. Don't die.
Cool. I'm trying not to. Think I want to die?
Oh, you made it. Okay, let me get the one. Let me get them. You're too dumb. No, don't. Okay, I made it.
Alright, we gotta get this.
Ammo.
Oh!
Don't do it.
You hit me off! You
What do you mean?
You hit me off!
No.
My
Come
beautiful
back. I can't
body.
revive you. Come back.
I'm on my way. I'm on my way.
I hope so.
I'm coming.
Well, hurry up. Now at the cave.
I'm here. Where are you?
At the cave, the one with
Which one?
the spider.
Cool, okay, I'm here too. I have a flashlight.
Good boy.
Alright, buddy.
Go to the right because I'm there and safe for now.
Did you kill the spider?
Run to the right.
I'm trying. Go! Help me! I got stuck in the web! Help me! Help me! Help me! Cool. You have to kill it.
Stop.
No, cool, don't take all of them. Chill, leave those ones for me. Cool.
What's your body?
It's by the spider. Dude, you could have saved some for me.
I don't care.
Screw you.
Okay. We'll see about that. Yeah. Let me take care of things.
And when you do, be careful, because the big buff guy is there.
Huh? Bro won't die.
Alright, Cole, help me. Revive me.
Let me take care of him.
Don't worry about him. I'm dying. Cole, I'm respawning. Help!
I'm dead, bro.
Help!
I gotta get him.
Help us! You suck, dude.
I killed him.
I'm coming. Save my stuff for me.
Uh-huh.
I'm coming down, Geronimo! Ah! Alright, cool. Greet me. Greet me like a good boy. Cool. Something's alive! Something is alive! Cool.
What?
That spider is very much alive.
Oh.
And my weaponry is right there. And that's my corpse. Kill it. Kill it.
Okay, I'm dead. How?
I gotta get my bomb. Help me.
I
Help
got
me.
it.
Oh, I'm good. Let me get
Throw
my
the
bomb.
bomb.
Ow!
I'm dying.
Hey, cool. It's back here. Help! Something's back there.
Good.
Ow! Cool. I'll help you.
Kill them, kill them.
I don't have any weaponry.
Take mine. Oh my god. Can you
Just let me get my bomb. Just let me get my bomb.
throw the bomb? Kill him.
Oh!
Yes, okay, now. You gotta be kidding.
I'm not kidding you. Cool. Look, the bomb just blew up too fast.
I'm gonna go.
Wait, get your weaponry.
My weapons are in there. I gotta get...
This time I'm taking the dynamite.
I'm over here.
I'm on my way. Just don't die.
I got my things. Okay.
Go!
I heard a mimic.
Here, little girl. Alright, where are you, dude? Alright, cool. Are you cool? The spider! I need your help. Wait a minute, I think I got dynamite.
It's coming.
Let me. Alright, cool, move! Move! I don't want a peanut butter sandwich.
Another one. Get me. Come on.
It ain't that
Come
easy.
on. It's easy.
Okay.
Run real quick. I need my weapon.
What's that? Is this like a weapon?
I don't know. Oh, it's a zipline maker.